Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you browser privacy unmark passwords device signed in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned here. Click this and go, and I have clicked the three bar icon. Click here, enter the settings options, click, and privacy and security we have entered as because we will work with the browser privacy as like in below scrolling, and password we have worked. So now I want to unmark and select this, so click here, see, and before that we have to follow and remember the password, what kinds of user I have used, and the username as well as matching with the password. So what the password I have given, the password, see, in this way the thing has been unmarked or unselected. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.